Good afternoon, everyone. CAMO Cowboy Outdoors. It's October 9th, and I just thought I'd give you all an update of what I've been up to lately. Harvesting's been done for a while, so we're in the process of hauling bales. Been trying to get some things ready for trapping at the end of the month here. Yesterday I rigged up a dozen new power rams with tether cables and everything else, but for the last week or so I've been clearing old fence lines. Got this one down to the lake because these fences are in bad need of repair, and we want to graze these fields this fall yet, so we've got to get the fences in order. Getting the bales hauled off. There's still quite a few to haul yet, but there's always work to do on the ranch. It just seems to never end. But these fences have been in need of repair for a long time, and these fence lines were grown up so bad you couldn't even hardly get down them. Some of them you couldn't get down. So I'm getting cleared out so we can go along with the tractor and post pounder and pound in posts and get these fences fixed. I'm on the last fence line here. There's the rig I've been using, little D6C. It's not new by any stretch, but that machine will push a lot of trees. It's never nice dozing along a fence line. Some of the trees you gotta leave because if I were to push them ones over, the roots would pop out under the wires and rip the wires. But here's the last. This is the last fence I'm doing. This one, there's a lot more timber on it, but that machine will push a lot of trees. So I got about another, 200 to 300 yards to go that way, and we should be done. So anyways, folks, just thought I'd give you an update of what I've been up to lately. It's going to be busy here this next week getting these fences fixed, getting the cows out, and like I said, it'll soon be trapping time. End of the month I hope to start getting sets out, so then I'll be making more videos again. So until then, folks, I hope you all are doing well. I wish you all the best, and we will be talking to you later.